You're losing your balance, man. You wanna go see the dog? That's all he's saying now is dog. He loves that dog. Come on, let's go. What are you pointing at? Guys, he does not feel good at all. My poor baby. Hey guys, I'm just sitting on the floor right behind my couch. Bathroom's right over there. Oh, Adam. Yeah, Adam does not feel good. We went to the doctor's 2:30 and then I picked him up. And usually this doctor's office, like this little clinic I usually go to, takes like usually 15 minutes. I'm in and out. But today, everyone was there. It was literally like maybe 6 people in front of me, and then people just kept coming in. So I'm glad I didn't leave. Uh-oh. I'm glad I didn't leave and it's alright, it'll be okay. Leave and try to come back later. But the doctor just said that Adam has an upset stomach and a common cold. So when I got home, I was just like so over it, because by the time I left the clinic, it was almost 5 o'clock. No, it was 4 something. I had to get some tortilla bread, so I had to go to the store. This is a cabinet right here. This is not a stove. This is where we keep our pots and pans and everything. This is the fish griller. Stop, Adam! This is the fish griller that I put my tortilla bread on. Just put it in there, toasted it on both sides. Usually I refrigerate my tortilla bread, but I'm gonna try to see if it will last longer by leaving it out. I'm gonna try to leave it out instead of putting it in the refrigerator to see if that makes it stay soft, because usually it ends up getting really hard after I put it in the fridge. And then Adam threw his cup off the balcony yesterday, didn't you? And it landed in our neighbor's pond, because they have a pond below us. Why, I do not know. Oh, thank you, baby. You want to give me a kiss? Kiss? Oh, all the germs. I love it. Yeah, so I had to buy him another cup yet again. Oh, okay. What are you doing to me? Giving me a kiss? Kiss. What are you doing? Kiss? Can't stop laughing because he's so funny. I love you too, Adam. Yeah, so anyway, by the time we got home, it was after 5. I think it was like 5:30. Thank you, baby. I love all my kisses from you. I love it. Boys are the sweetest, guys. I love it. Oh, thank you, baby. Look at his face. You don't want mommy to do that? Okay, can I finish talking to them and updating them what happened today? After 5, put Adam down in his room. After that, I was praying, because I was just like, God, come on, I have so much to do. I have to clean up the house a little bit, which I did. I straightened up the house. I did almost everything except for the kids' room and washed the dishes, because I was just so tired after picking up. Because when we leave our house in the morning, thank you, Adam. When we leave our house in the morning, I don't know about you guys, but my house is a disaster. Between getting clothes out of the dryer, finding something to wear, doing hair in the morning, and cooking, the house is it's trash, basically. It looks like we had a party every morning. Oh, so this is what I was trying to say. So I bought some tortilla bread, because tonight for dinner, I made kind of like a breakfast pizza. So I finally used my little fish oven. Like that. I'm toasting the tortilla bread. Adam's playing the guitar. But we're about to walk. Adam's not eating anything. I tried to toast him a tortilla bread and put some butter on it or some cheese on it. He was like, no. And he started to pretend, spit up, or maybe it was real. I don't know. But anyway, I tried to make him a sausage, which he normally eats, but he didn't want that either. So it's gonna get you. You know you're not supposed to sit on it. Adam, it sounds great. No, you're gonna fall right off my bed. No, don't do that. Say, this is the song about Elmo, 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 Elmo. And when he rides his bicycle, Elmo in a nutshell, Mo. When he rides his bicycle. I don't know the rest of it. Look, he's such a big boy. You just step down like that. You still saying dog? He likes to throw things. And right down below is a pond or something down there. Anyway, he throws it down there. Wait, let's go see the dog. I don't like that cough. This is our dog. Well, it's not really our dog, but it's the dog that lives near us that Adam loves. Say bye-bye to Coach John. No, don't give him... Oh, Adam, don't give him that. Alright, so I'm gonna get my coffee. Not supposed to have it tonight. But tonight will be a coffee cheap night. How about that? It's cold coffee in a can. Boss coffee, my favorite. Adam, I don't know who you're waving at. There's no dog. And we got Adam's soup right here and my coffee. So now we're ready to go back home. You ready? Let's go. Let's go. Coffee tonight is a cheat night because I'm supposed to be fasting right now with my intermittent fasting. But I feel like I need a coffee. Plus I don't think I had my 2 that I normally have throughout the day. I think I only have 1. This is what the soup looks like. It's a pork soup. I think it's a miso based soup. And it has cabbage and pork in it. And potatoes. And if he eats a carrot. But he's not taking down anything else. So we'll see if he eats that. You want some soup? He does not want this. Watch. It's not bad either. It's good. Immediately put his head down. You want some? Yeah, that's what kids do when they don't want stuff. They pretend like they're sleepy. You don't have to eat it. It's okay. So I guess I'm just gonna nurse him on demand whenever he wants to nurse. I did really well with my water intake today. I think I had a 2 liter. I'm trying to work my way up. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering where Dad is, he's at church. He's preaching tonight, and I missed it. We missed it. Alright, it's medicine time. Okay, the medicine that we got from the clinic today. Adam just threw one of them on the floor. Let me open that. Here. As long as you stay hydrated, you should be good. Here you go. Say, you can drink it. I don't want any. Anyway, he has this powder for his stomach, for his upset stomach. I think that's what the doctor said. Yeah, this powder is for the upset stomach, and then this is for the common cold. It's kind of like Zarbee's. It doesn't really do much, but yeah, he gets that every time. And so the little powder, I'm probably going to mix it in with some juice, but he's supposed to have this 3 times a day, so 1 packet 3 times a day. And then the funny thing that they did here is they gave me suppositories for his vomiting. Like, seriously? So this is going to stop his vomiting? So I'm a little confused, but we'll see if that works.
Hi guys, it's Jordan's here. I'm at home with my family.
And where have you been all this time, Miss Jordan?
To McDonald's.
Where have you been? Why weren't you here? Where do you go on Wednesdays?
Because we were in traffic.
You were in traffic?
What did you drink coffee?
Why were you in traffic?
Because there were too much cars.
There were too many cars?
Yeah.
Oh, did you miss Mommy?
Yeah.
Did you miss Adam while
Yes.
he's over there pretending to drink Mommy's coffee?
Yeah.
What? you watched Daddy preach today?
Yeah.
I didn't get to see Daddy preach.
Where were you?
I was at home with your sick brother.
Did you watch this?
I didn't watch anything yet. I don't even know who's at the end of Ink Masters. I just washed my hair, guys, when I gave Adam a bath. So it needs to...
I guess we get tomorrow.
So it needs to dry. But here's Josh. He hasn't been on the vlog in like 18 years. I'm just kidding. He was on the vlog when we went on a date. But yeah, I'm gonna give the camera to Josh.
Hey guys, on the vlog, but I just got back from church. Message was on the Good Samaritan and how we're supposed to be neighbors to everybody. And that's what my message was.
Everybody.
Everybody.
Oh, whoa.
I'm about to enjoy my food. I've been eating all day, so I'm gonna go. It's good seeing you guys again, and I'm out.
Rick and Sam.
What are you doing to my hair?
Putting a little podcast.
Where? Are you gonna fix it?
Yeah.
Okay. Just gonna fix my hair.
I need something.
What are you trying to feed me? What? I don't want to puff.
I got you puff.
Is my hair done, ma'am?
No.
Okay.
You got the hair salon.
I know.
Happening
It looks like it's all finished. How much do I owe you?
for 100 pounds.
100 pounds?
Yeah.
Where are we? Europe?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Done?
No.
Looks good to me.
No, it's not done because I forgot something. Yeah.
Ouch, you're hurting my hair. Ouch.
Here it is.
Oh, it looks nice. Thank you. Here's your money.
And then keep it again. Okay, put some hair lotion.
What? Ouch! Is that a comb?
No, it's a drum.
Jordan, don't do that to my hair.
Number 10, this is a comb. Gel in it.
I don't even put gel on your hair. Well, how do you know I put gel on my hair? Look at Adam. He's like, why is she doing your hair like? Bye guys, we'll see you tomorrow.